Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katherine Young and I'm a creative. And welcome if it's your first time here. I am doing this video as an open collab with Katie from Vintage and Vinyl. Katie issued a challenge of making an ephemera bowl. Yeah, Halloween themed. All this is up my alley. I love ephemera, I love Halloween, so great. But then when I got thinking about the challenge, I realized I don't think I have a vintage bowl that is big enough for the challenge. I was like, dang it, like that's a key component of the challenge. So I think I'm gonna have to break the rules. So I may not have a vintage bowl, but I do have a vintage pair of hands. And what's more spooky than random hands for Halloween, am I right? I also have a vintage planter. Kind of a bowl, right? So I figured between these two, I mean, I think a bowl, like technically you are able to put soup in them, but like if I were to set this and that, see, like now it holds soup, right? Okay, so these are my two items and we're gonna build a ephemera bowl of sorts. So here is my secretary hutch that we are going to be decorating, that little shelf right there. And the first thing we're gonna add is this creepy cloth. You can get it at the dollar store, don't get it elsewhere, don't pay more, pay $1. This will make it look nice and spooky. The great thing about this cloth is it's just a really kind of fun open weave cloth. You throw it on anything, instantly it's just, you know, a little bit more spooky. There we go. That is really helpful. I think that really sets the stage for our ephemera display we got coming on. And what do we need? Oh yes, we need the hands. We need the hands that hold the ephemera. Now these are life-size hands. They're displays that would have been like in a retail store. And what I love is the way the fingers are splayed out. You can see that there's going to be areas for different pieces of ephemera to slide in. Really great to hold things. I just love these hands. They're perfect for this ephemera challenge. There they go. There's our first piece. And the next piece, I want to do something really big in the back so that it kind of like sticks out. Now this is from like the 80s or 90s, definitely from my childhood. And you see how like the skeleton and the witch are on the far end. I'm thinking that those are going to stick out in the display because this is kind of a wider piece of ephemera. Yeah, I think that looks really good. That is a great background to start with what we're doing here with all the layers. And next up, in honor of Katie, I grabbed this piece. How perfect is this? Old rock and roll program. Oh, so perfect. Had to throw in some 50s music here. Oh my gosh, if I was a teen during this time and I got this program, I would just treasure this. Look at all those fandom pics right there. Oof. And the graphics. Oh my God, so good, so good. And it's just so perfect for Halloween with the orange and the black. I mean, those graphics, right? Even the back has lovely illustrations. This piece is so perfect. So I'm adding it to my display, perfect for Halloween, in honor of Katie. So great. Oh yeah, that looks so good. I really like that. And next up, this isn't actually vintage, this is new. So if you love vintage Halloween, you need to go check out the YouTube channel Shiny Bright Doggo. They actually made this coloring book. How great is that? All kinds of vintage Halloween images. If you haven't checked them out, you need to do that. I'll put a link to their channel and to this coloring book in the description. Ooh, yeah, that looks really good. I like that. And next, yep, I have these mint in package. This is one of the weirdest mint in package things I have, but Halloween is Scorpio season. My birthday season, y'all. This needs to go in the display. It is perfect for that. So we are going to put those right on in there. Oh, I think that looks really good. That looks really good, y'all. Oh, goodness. And next is this box I found. It has seen better days, but isn't it just so cool anyways? You can't have Halloween without candy, so here is an old candy box. The graphics on all sides are really cool, and the hands are going to be perfect to hold this piece in the display. Ugh, I love this box. Doesn't that look good? Oh my god. Now, honestly, we could just leave this like that. But you know what? I'm going to take it up the next level. We're going to punch this up and go full on cluttercore, okay? So, let's add some more items. Here is a vintage planter. Oh, I love this so much. This planter is from the 60s. True vintage mid-century Halloween. Here you go. It is 1967. Ah, so great. So we are going to add this to the display as a way to hold more ephemera. There we go. And then because it is kind of deep and the ephemera I'm adding is small, I'm just crunching up a bag and I'm just putting it inside it to help items stand up in it better. And here's the first one I'm going to put in it. Oh my god, is this not the coolest thing? So you might have seen this in one of my Shop With Me videos. This isn't the one I saw. I actually purchased this online after seeing it in the store. And oh my god, y'all, the ideas for the costumes in here are wild. They are rad. I adore it. Oh my god, this is the coolest book. And then look, it has a page of color swatches for all the crepe paper. So awesome. So I believe this is from 1935. Oh, so perfect. That has to go in our Halloween display. Oh, I think that looks really good. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now, we can't have a Halloween display without a Halloween postcard. Yes, gotta have some Halloween postcards in there. These little kids are all dressed up in funny costumes. Love it so much. And then this is postmarked 1908. And I just love thinking about how long ago this was used and it's still around. That's my favorite part about vintage ephemera. And you can't have enough of a good thing, people. You can't have enough of a good thing. Another vintage postcard. This one I am using like a little place card stand that I thrifted in a little set to hold it in place. And this one is from 1941. Different style graphics, super fun. Love that outhouse. Put that right on the ledge there. I think it looks so darn good. And then we're going to finish it off with this little guy that I thrifted. Just love him. I think he's a great addition to any display. So we're going to put him in there. And as you can see, he's kind of hard to see. So you know what? We just need the last finishing touches on this display to make it really pop and feel really spooky. Yeah, that's right. Little flickering tea lights. There we go. Perfect. And we're all done. Y'all, I love how this turned out so much. I think it looks so great. It is so fun. It is so much my personality. I just love this challenge. It was just fantastic. So what do you think? Do you think it turned out good? Let's get a little bit of a close-up here. I mean, the layers of that just are so fun, right? There's so much to look at. So great. Here's one last look of the display. Ugh. So dang fun. And that's it, y'all. It is finished. Okay, y'all, that is it. I hope you loved how that turned out. I loved how that turned out. I can't even, oh my gosh, it makes me really happy. So please, please, please check out the people in the playlist. It is linked below. I will also link it up here. Check out all the wonderful Halloween creative, Halloween goodness. I'm sure it's fantastic. And if you love vintage and Halloween, just know that I also do a Thrift-o-ween Halloween series. I will link those below too. And yeah, oh my goodness, y'all, that was a fun one. So I hope you enjoyed it and stay creative. Bye, y'all. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Get it together, young, get it together. Or like, we could go like this.